In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view solved tickets in Zendesk. We'll walk through the process of setting up a custom view that allows you to efficiently access and review tickets that have already been resolved. This is an essential process for support agents who want to keep track of their work, analyze past interactions, or simply ensure that issues marked as solved have been effectively addressed. To start, take a look at the sidebar in your Zendesk interface. Here, you'll notice a variety of icons, but the one we're interested in is the Views icon. Give that a click, and you'll find yourself in the main area where you can manage various ticket views. At the bottom of this Views section, you'll see an option that says Manage Views. Click on that. Alternatively, if you're already in the Admin Center, you can navigate through Agent Tools, then Views. Either way, this step will bring you to the place where you can customize your ticket views. Now, once you're in the Manage Views section, look for the Add View option, which is symbolized by a plus sign. Click on that plus sign to start creating a new view specific to solved tickets. This is where you can set the conditions that will determine what tickets will show up in this view. You'll want to set the conditions under the section labeled Meet All. Begin by specifying that the ticket status condition is solved, which will ensure that your view will display only those tickets that are marked as resolved. If you want to refine your view even further, consider adding optional filters such as the assignee, group, or solved date. These filters help narrow down tickets by who handled them, which team they were part of, or when exactly they were solved, respectively. Next, you'll want to configure the columns. This is a crucial step because it defines the information you'll see at a glance in your new view. Common columns you might consider include the subject of the ticket, the requester who submitted it, and the solved date. Adjust these settings to reflect the details most important to you or your team. As you continue moving through the setup, you will come to the visibility settings. Here, decide who should be able to see this view. You might choose to share it with all agents, which is particularly useful for maintaining transparency and open communication among your team. Once you're happy with your settings, don't forget to click Save. This action finalizes your new view. After saving, open the view, and there you'll have it. A customized list of all your solved tickets, ready for you to analyze or reference as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view solved tickets in Zendesk. This streamlined view will be an invaluable tool for retrospective assessments and ensuring that all customer queries are comprehensively resolved. Thanks for joining me today.